Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everybody? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I also fine, Alhamdulillah. Identity. Now, I am going to take an online class for the student of class 10. Subject Islam and Moral Education. Chapter 5. Lesson 12. Topics. Biography of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai and Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah Alai. I am MD Abdul Salam, Senior Teacher, Iskari School and College, Pabna. Follow the pictures. What are the names of those persons? Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai and Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah Alai. The student, our today's topic, the biography of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai and Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah Alai. Now, learning outcome. After this lesson, student will know about the identity of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai. Will know about the identity of Imam Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah Alai. Will get the inspiration from the works and contribution discharged by the above scholars. First one, the identity of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai. His original name is Muhammad. His surname is Abu Hamid. His title was Hujjatul Islam. Muhammad At-Tusri was his father's name. Now, the birth of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai. He was born in the city of Tush in Iran at 450 Hijri corresponding to 1058 AC. Tush city is one of the city of Iran. Now, the pursuit of knowledge. Ahya Ulumuddin. He wrote many basic books on various subjects. Among them, Ahya Ulumuddin is his most important works. It means revivifications of religious science. Now, Islamic mysticism, Sufism. Imam Abu Hamid Muhammad Al-Ghazali was one of the greatest philosophers and Islamic thinkers of the Muslim world. He laid emphasis on tasawwuf, Islamic mysticism or Sufism, alongside religious and moral instruction. He depicted the extent of the importance of moral education for both the spiritual and inner development of man. He has firmly established Islamic philosophy and Sufism. Now, the title of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah Alai, his title was Hujjatul Islam. He has established the supremacy of Islam by means of standard and rational documents. He has been styled Hujjatul Islam, that means proof of Islam, in recognition of his unique contribution to Islamic philosophy and learning. Now the death of Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah alayh. He died in 11,011 AC. Those who aspire to spiritual and inner progress, for them Imam Ghazzali is an icon. The homework for Imam Ghazzali Rahmatullah alayh. Why is Imam Ghazzali called Hujjatul Islam or the proof of Islam? Explain. Now the another topic, Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah alayh. First one, the identity of Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah alayh. His name is Muhammad. His surname is Abu Jafar. Jarir was his father's name. Now the birth of Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah alayh. He was born in 839 AC at a place called Amul in Tabaristan of Iran. The place Amul of Tabaristan is situated in the northern Iran. Amul. Now the contribution to tafsir. Jamul Bayan and Ta'abiliya lil Quran is the tafsir written by Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah alayh. He memorized the Holy Quran at the age of 7. He was a famous mufassir. He produced an authentic tafsir commentary of Al-Quran. The name of his book on tafsir is Jamiul Bayan and Ta'abili Anil Quran. In his book on tafsir, he has displayed profound scholarship and keen power of analysis in producing his commentary. There is a question, what is tafsir? Tafsir is the explanation of the ayat of Holy Quran, the detailed explanations of the ayat of Holy Quran. More information about tafsir. He collected many hadiths relating to tafsir and wrote tafsir in light of hadith. Due to his reason, his book on tafsir is extremely reliable and acceptable. The tafsir book has been highly acclaimed by the Western scholar for historical and critical research. Now the contribution to history of Ibn Jarir At-Tabari Rahmatullah alayh. At-Tariq Al-Rusul Al-Muluk is the book written by Ibn Jarir At-Tabari on history. Ibn Jarir At-Tabari was an Arab historian and Imam. He wrote a book on history also. The name of his book on history is At-Tariq Al-Rusul Al-Muluk. These two books by him on tafsir and history are famous and authentic. Now the death of Ibn Jarir At-Tabari rahmatullah alayh. Thus, Ibn Jarir At-Tabari has narrated many issues relating to religious principle and laws. He passed away at Baghdad in 923 AD. Now the homework. The tafsir of Ibn Jarir At-Tabari is extremely reliable and acceptable. Explain. Allah Hafiz.